In this tutorial, we are introducing the Bruce Gamepad. The Bruce Gamepad is a Bluetooth remote control gamepad for Bruce with wireless e-stop integrated. There are 2 joysticks with push buttons, 2 shoulder rollers with push buttons, and 14 button keys on the gamepad, and the 2 antennas are respectively the Bluetooth antenna and the 2.4 GHz antenna for the wireless e-stop module. The gamepad is rechargeable. Simply connect it to a cell phone charger with a Type-C cable. Before you get started, please remember that the Bruce Gamepad should never be used together with the wireless e-stop remote to avoid e-stop signal interference. For those who are setting up a new gamepad with your Bruce, please visit our GitHub repo and make sure that you are using the latest version before you proceed. To set up Bruce with your gamepad, you need to connect the computer on Bruce to a screen and power it up. Then, turn on your Bruce Gamepad, add it as a new Bluetooth device on the onboard computer of Bruce, and take down the MAC address of the gamepad. Then edit the file called Bruce Serial Port, located in the parent folder of Bruce OP, to append the MAC address of your gamepad as the last line. Remember to save the change. Go to the directory Bruce OP/play/walking and check the settings in walking macros. Make sure the gamepad parameter in line 19 is set to true. The last step is to open the Startup Applications Preferences and add the startup setup.sh script located in the Bruce OP/startups folder as an additional startup program. You can pick any name for it at your preference. Remember to make sure that the startup setup script has execute permission and reboot to complete the setup procedure. The boot up sequence and operation of Bruce with the gamepad is very similar to that when using SSH. When both Bruce and the paired gamepad are powered on and the computer on Bruce is fully boot up, the gamepad will be automatically connected to Bruce and there will be operation instructions on the screen of the gamepad instead of a flashing lost connection. Hold the Start button and press the joystick on the left to initiate Bruce boot up sequence. Press the Start button when prompt to start DXL and bear communication in sequence, then press the Start button when prompt to put Bruce into initialization position. Now launch Bruce on the ground, hold it so that Bruce stands upright, and make sure there is solid ground contact, which is indicated by a blue, red, or purple light on the Bruce Sense module located in its chest. Now press the Start button to run the estimator. Bruce will shake its arm twice to indicate that the estimator is online, and you will be prompted by the screen on the gamepad to start the low-level controller. Press the Start button as prompted to start low-level, high-level, and top-level controllers, then press the Start button to enter the cockpit. Robot status, including the battery voltage, the actuator temperature of the hottest, and present robot mode is shown on the screen, and control information is shown using 2 coordinates. When Bruce is in balancing mode, the coordinate on the left shows the center of mass position controlled by the joystick on the left, and the coordinate on the right shows the body rotation controlled by the joystick on the right. Hold the Start button and press Y to change to walking mode. While in walking mode, only the joystick on the left is in use, and it controls the center of mass velocity of Bruce. Press A at any time for some hand motion, and use the back button to reset all values to 0. Hold the Start button and press Back to change to balance mode, and you can terminate the program and put Bruce in damping by pressing both joysticks together. When error occurs, such as e-stop triggered bear error, the message will be shown on the screen of the gamepad. Resolve the error, then simply hold the Start button and press the joystick on the left to try again.